Good morning, Facebook. Here we are in San Clemente. It's the last day of this, so we've already gotten 2 coats on this floor. Take a look. So much lighter than what it originally was. So right now we're just kind of buffing, prepping to put that last coat on, but everything looks so much lighter, brighter. Homeowner is super, super happy. Let's take a look at those repairs that we've made. Okay, so there was damage here. Actually, I think we was able to lift it off without having to change the wood. But it looks beautiful. Last room here. All prepped, ready to go. All right, so we're gonna put that last coat on and then we'll be done with this. So it looks beautiful, big difference. Customer's super happy. So everybody have a great day.